Hi everyone. We are talking about unions here. Like structure, union is also a keyword here. So basically, definition you can able to see. Unions are collection of different data type grouped together under a single variable name for convenient handling. Single variable we will going to use. Why? Because we have to handle conveniently. That is the reason. So this is the definition you can able to see. And you can able to see the structure. Before that, I will going to write the syntax. Blueprint of the union already I written. I will going to write the syntax so that you can able to understand very clearly about this particular syntax which is related to union. Now I will write the syntax. Please observe. So union is a keyword. I will going to write union. Union is a keyword here. Again, so as like structure name or tag name. So we're going to write union name here. Union name. Okay, so this is one. After that, again data type member one. Data type member one. Okay, data type member two. Member two. And close this. The structure with semicolon. So this is the syntax you have to understand. For that one, I have given this one structure blueprint. Actually, it's a blueprint. Blueprint. It's a blueprint. Now, so then after understanding this, you can observe here. So this employee ID is going to take 2 bytes. Again, employee name, that is character, which it takes array, that is 20 bytes. Here I will going to take one more example. Example 2 I will take. I will going to write one more structure for union. Union book. Okay, union book. Here I will going to write integer pages. Integer pages. Again, character book name. Book name. So that is 10. Again, character author. Character author. So that is 20. So just you write the author name. Again, float price. Float price of the book. Okay, price of the book. So these are all structures in the unions in the members. These are all members, pages, book name, author name, all price, all these things. Semicolon, you put it. So close it. This is also one. So this is the union structure. So as like union structure, as like structure. So union is a keyword here. It will going to have a tag name, union tag name, that is called it as union name. So now we will going to see the program, how it will going to work and what is this exactly. We will going to see this one. So how the union will going to work in real time, all those things I wanted to show you, but so it is not necessary. We will want to clear here itself. Okay, let's see the program so that we can able to understand this one very clearly. Now, when you see this one, I will going to write a small program which is related to union. Union. It's a keyword. Again, I will want to say something like number. Okay, I will take it. Number is a union name in the bracket. Again, here I will say integer a. Again, float b. Float b. And the character c. Character c. Again, void main. Now we will want to write. We will going to create. This is the union structure. For this union structure, I will going to create a variable. So what is that? Exactly as like structures, we will going to create a variable here, union. Okay. So now, so we're going to give the value something like v. You take it as v. This is a variable. You take whatever you want. It is left to you people. Okay. So here I will going to write is I will going to take something like this variable. Okay. So what I will going to do directly, I will going to assign the values. This is how we will going to create the blueprint for this one. Again, it's a main function. Now what I will do, I will going to access the values for this one, and I will going to initialize the values. How to access initialize, I will going to show you that one. So now what I will do, v dot variable dot a, that is equal to 10, I will going to provide. Okay. Again, v dot b, you can see float variable, it will going to take 2 bytes, 4 bytes, sorry, float 4 bytes. I will going to provide something like 3.14 like that. Again, I will going to give v dot c, that is equal to character, something I will going to see a. So like that I will going to give whatever you wanted to give it, no problem. So now after that, how to print this one? This is what we will call it as initialization. You can see this one. This is what we call it as initialize values to variables. And I will going to show you the diagram how the memory will going to be allocated, all those things. Again, we will going to see this one. Printf. I am writing shortcut. Please go through that one. No need to worry at all. Okay. Printf here. What I will do basically is a integer. That's why percentage d I will going to take percentage d. Just a moment. I will put next line. Percentage d. Now this value I will put here v dot a. So it will print that. Again printf percentage f. Next line. Comma. So v dot b, that is a float value. Again printf here percentage c. Next line, not required basically. It's okay, no fine, nothing will going to happen. V dot c. So we're going to close this one. Okay, main function we're going to close here. Again, few more lines I will going to show you. Don't worry right now. So from here to here, it's closed. Again, this is the structure. It's closed. Okay. Now, please understand when you are doing this one union structure. So this is a blueprint actually. Blueprint. It's a blueprint, and you can take here. It will going to take 2 bytes actually. 2 bytes. Again, this one it will take 4 bytes. 4 bytes. Again, character 1 byte. So like this, totally we can able to see 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7 bytes of memory. Totally it will going to consume 7 bytes of memory. And one more important thing about the union is when it is creating a memory like this, you can able to see here. So when it is creating a memory, for example, I can show you. Here. So basically integer a will going to allocate 2 bytes. That's fine. After that, float b, okay, it will going to allocate 4 bytes like this, 1 and 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4 bytes. Again, character 1 byte. I will show you here. Basically in union, all the variables will going to share same memory location. This is very very important actually. All these members a b c, all these members will going to share same memory location. Share same memory location. So how it will going to share? Basically, whichever the type is more. Okay, so the bytes are whichever the type bytes are more, that type will going to be taken as a major one over here. That is what exactly you have to understand. Float is it will going to take 4 bytes. Yes, the memory will be 4 bytes here. From here to here, you can able to say it's a 4 bytes. Okay, for a it will going to occupy 2 bytes here and here 2 bytes. Again for float it will going to occupy 4 bytes like this. Again for character it will going to occupy 1 byte here. So that is what exactly we can able to understand this one. This is very, very important actually, because everything in the memory, it will going to share the same memory location. Okay, for example, you can able to say character, only one memory, one byte it will going to take. That is the reason why it will going to take this much. Okay, suppose if it is an integer, it will going to consume 2 bytes of memory. That's why member B. Again, suppose if it is a float, it will want to consume 4 bytes of memory. That is, sorry, that actually that is A. So here, sorry, okay, just a moment, I made a mistake here. So here, nothing but C, this is this, it will want to consume this amount of memory. Again, after that, so if it is an integer, it will going to consume 2 bytes of memory, that is A. After that, it will going to be, if it is a float, it will going to consume 4 bytes of memory, that is correct as B here. Nothing but it will going to consume only 1 byte. Okay, it will want to consume 2 bytes, it will want to consume 4 bytes of memory. Nothing but what it indicates very clearly, in unions, whichever the type is having more bytes, that will be the memory it will going to be created. So that is the reason why here you can able to see. So here for 4 bytes memory will be created. This is completely 4 bytes memory will be created for the union variable. Okay, so when you see this one, size of variable, it will going to give you 4 bytes. Here it will going to give you 4 bytes. Again, you can able to see, even though, so if you give the variable, there are another way we can able to check it. So how much size it will going to take it, like that you can able to use this one also, union of number, like structure. So for example, I will want to show you size of like, actually I'm taking a variable, this one here, but here what I will want to do, I am taking a structure, a union structure, that is union 10 now. Still I will going to get 4 bytes here. So here also I will going to get 1 minute. Here also I will going to get 4 bytes. Okay, here also I will going to get 4 bytes. So this is very, very important actually. Okay, when you execute this program, basically I will tell you, when you execute this program, what happens here, basically suppose things like that, we are not going to include these things. Just observe here. Suppose I will not going to include this one. Which one? I will not going to include this one and this one. Again, what is the output? Then you will going to get the output something like this, 10. Okay, again these values, what is those values? B and C value, you will going to get the 0 0 null values, you will going to get it. Okay, again one more important. So if you give all the values, if you give all the values, nothing but what, so v dot a is equal to 10, v dot b is equal to 3.4, v dot c is equal to a, like that. If you give all the values, okay, then it will going to take which one having a more bytes of, more bytes it is consuming, that value will be represent. Nothing but here you can able to say float having a more bytes, 4 bytes. So that is the reason why it will going to print. Okay, so here you will going to get the garbage value, so that is 0 something. Again here v dot b, it takes 4 bytes, that is you will going to get the 3.14. Again here you will going to get the garbage value, 0 something, or null value you will going to get it. So this is the reason it says very clearly, in unions you can execute only one variable, executes only one variable. Okay, one variable at once. Okay, at once. All the variables we cannot able to execute at a time. Okay, so all these members we cannot able to execute at a time. That is the reason why. So if you want to execute members one by one, it is worthy. So this is what exactly we have to discuss about union. And when it comes to memory location, always when you update, it will going to update the values, whichever the having highest bytes, that will going to be considered over here. So that is the reason why basically unions are not recommended. In nowadays they are not using unions. They are not giving a lot of importance to unions. So but in older days they wanted to use the memory in a optimized way. That is the reason why they were using this one unions. Apart from that, nothing is there. It's everything is fine. So this is all about unions. Thank you. Thank you. Please everybody share and subscribe if you like it. Thank you very much.